Hello everyone, welcome back to TunesKit channel. Have you encountered your iPhone stuck in a boot loop? There are several common reasons: iOS update failed, system crashes, corrupted apps or data, errors caused by jailbreaking, unstable connection with iTunes. Today, I will show you how to fix the iPhone stuck in a boot loop with 3 effective methods. Method 1, Force Restart. This is a simple method. Take my iPhone 12 mini as an example. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This is the forced restart method for all iPhone models. Method 2, Update or restore with iTunes. If a force restart does not work, try updating your iPhone with iTunes or Finder. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the device into recovery mode. On my iPhone 12 mini, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until see the recovery screen. This is the method to put iPhone in recovery mode for all models. Next, on your computer, choose Update. This will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If this does not work, you can also choose Restore, which will erase all of your data, so ensure a backup before you use it. Method 3, use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If the problem continues, the most effective method is to use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. This professional software can repair over 150 iOS problems on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without losing data, which is a reliable and helpful tool. First, download and install TunesKit iOS System Recovery on your computer. Open the program and connect your iPhone with a USB cable. Select iOS System Repair. Click Start, choose Standard Repair to fix the boot loop without data loss. Confirm your device model, and choose the iOS version you want to install. Then click Download to download the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. TunesKit will automatically fix the system and your iPhone should restart normally. If this mode still does not work, you can switch to Deep Repair, which will erase your iPhone data, so ensure you have backed up your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.